Ready to ditch Photoshop? Google is rolling out its game-changing AI model, poised to revolutionize how we search, edit photos, and even take notes with NotebookLM. This is big news, folks. NotebookLM has already been making waves with its video overview feature, summarizing your notes in a flash. But the latest update, powered by the impressive Nano Banana, takes things to a whole new level. Forget generic image editing. NotebookLM now boasts a range of video styles, including whiteboard, anime, and even reel-to-print. The original classic style remains available. While NotebookLM's video capabilities are still evolving, this update introduces a second format option, brief, joining the existing explainer. You can even add prompts to guide the video's direction. Although, remember, it's still AI, so results can vary. But here's where it gets interesting. The addition of Nano Banana promises more consistent style generation. And the excitement doesn't stop there. This updated image editor is also heading to Google Photos. Google is calling Nano Banana a major upgrade over its previous image editing model. Conversational editing was introduced to Photos recently, but it wasn't the Nano Banana model that wowed testers over the summer. Google says Nano Banana will arrive in the Photos app in the coming weeks. This could be a game changer for casual users and professionals alike. What do you think about Google's move? Will Nano Banana live up to the hype? Share your thoughts in the comments.